Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub. Today, we'll explore the top 5 livestock choices that are both profitable and ideal for beginners. If you're new to farming, selecting the right animals can make all the difference in your success. We'll highlight which livestock offer the highest returns and require less experience to manage. Let's dive in and find out which options could be the perfect fit for your farming journey. Coming in at number 5 are goats, a popular option for those new to farming. Goats are known for their hardy nature and relatively low maintenance requirements, making them ideal for beginners. They adapt well to different environments and require less space compared to larger livestock. In addition to being easy to care for, goats can provide both milk and meat, offering multiple streams of income. Their versatility and manageable upkeep make them a smart choice for anyone starting out in animal husbandry. Chickens take the 4th spot on our list, offering a practical and efficient way to generate income. They require minimal space and resources, making them ideal for small-scale farmers. Chickens can provide a steady supply of eggs, which are always in demand, as well as meat for local markets. Their rapid growth and quick reproduction cycles mean you can start seeing returns in a relatively short time. Additionally, chickens help control pests and can even contribute to soil fertility, adding further value to your farm. Rabbits secure the 3rd spot on our list for several compelling reasons. They are known for their rapid reproduction, allowing for quick herd expansion with minimal investment. Unlike larger livestock, rabbits require very little space, making them ideal for small-scale operations or urban settings. Additionally, there is a consistent market demand for rabbit meat and fur, ensuring that producers have reliable opportunities to sell their products. These factors combine to make rabbits a practical and profitable choice for many aspiring farmers. Sheep take the number 2 spot on our list, offering a range of valuable products including wool, meat, and milk. Their adaptability to various climates and grazing conditions makes them a practical choice for many farmers. Sheep are generally easy to handle and require less intensive care compared to some other livestock, making them especially appealing for beginners. With proper management, they can provide a steady source of income and resources throughout the year. Topping the list as the most profitable and beginner-friendly livestock is fish. Fish farming offers impressive returns on investment, largely because it requires significantly less land compared to traditional livestock. This method is gaining popularity among new farmers thanks to its efficient use of resources and scalable setup options. With proper management, fish farming can provide a steady income stream and contribute to sustainable food production. In summary, every livestock option discussed presents distinct benefits for those new to farming. Carefully consider your available resources, such as land, time, and budget, when making your decision. By aligning your choice with your personal goals and circumstances, you can set yourself up for a rewarding and profitable experience. Remember, thoughtful planning is key to success in any agricultural venture. Thank you for watching this countdown. We hope you found the information valuable for your farming journey. Stay connected with SMART-AGRI Hub for more practical tips and insights on making your agricultural ventures more profitable. Your support helps us continue bringing you the latest in smart farming solutions.